Hi Otters, I'm Cecilia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. Judging by our views, we can tell you love our YouTube tech tip videos. This week, we are coming at you with 4 Google Doc tips to make your writing easier. Have you ever proofread your document and wondered if you chose the right word? You can quickly check it without leaving your Google Doc. Highlight the word in question and select Ctrl-Shift-Y on a Windows computer or Command-Shift-Y on a Mac. Then, a box with the definition will come up. Can't remember the keyboard shortcut? No worries. You can also go to the Tools menu and select Dictionary from the pull-down menu. This will have the keyboard shortcut listed right next to it in the pull-down menu. Another quick and handy tip is to track your word count as you type. This can be very handy when you have to stay within a certain word count for your paper. The keyboard shortcut for word count is Ctrl-Shift-C on a Windows computer or Command-Shift-C on a Mac. Then click the box towards the bottom to display your word count while typing. Your word count will now appear in the lower left corner of the screen. I always feel like I am accomplishing something when I watch the word count go up as I am typing up a paper. Tip 3. Did you know that you can type up a Google Doc with just your voice? The first step of this tip is to make sure your microphone is turned on. How to do this will vary by computer and microphone, so you should check your system preferences to make sure your mic is on and working. Once you know that your microphone works, go to the Tools menu and select Voice Typing, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-S on a Windows computer or Command-Shift-S on a Mac. When you are ready to start, click the microphone and start speaking with your normal voice volume. While talking, you can also use commands such as delete to delete the last word or italics to make the last word become italicized. When you are ready to stop dictating, just say stop listening and the microphone will shut off. I'm going to change my font so you can see it in action. And one last quick handy tip. Did you know that you can email your Google Doc to someone right from the document itself? Just go to the File menu and select Email, and then select Email this file. You can even pick what format you want the person to receive. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can also visit us on the web at csumb.edu/it or follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at csumb_it. Feel free to send us your suggestions for future topics via our social media. See you next week, Otters.